The engineer of the Kaleshwaram project has been taken into custody. This is because of the details that are emerging at this point in time. The probe agency found that he had spent crores of money on a destination wedding for his son in Thailand. Crores of money have been spent because he does own 3 independent buildings, 19 prime residential plots, at least 4 flats, and has stakes in multiple hotels. This is the kind of lifestyle and the kind of assets that may seem like they belong to a very wealthy businessman, but they are allegedly of that executive engineer in the irrigation. This is the irrigation department of Telangana, who has now been booked in the case. Uma joining us. Uma, get us details the kind of details that are emerging in, the kind of money he's been spending on his son's wedding, the kind of properties that he owns, the kind of stakes that he has in hotels, all of which is very, very shocking given the fact that, he perhaps was under the lens for a while.
So the case against Nunes Sridhar was in fact booked on the 9th of June. Subsequently, on the very day that the former Chief Minister KCR deposed in front of the PC Ghosh committee about Kaleshwaram, that's the day when raids happened at 14 locations, including Hyderabad, Warangal and Karimnagar, all these 3 places where he has properties, including a villa in Tellapur. You're talking about a luxury flat in Sheikpet, multi-story buildings in Hyderabad, Warangal, and stakes in multiple hotels in Karimnagar as well. His connection to Kaleshwaram is that he was executive engineer for the Kaleshwaram project, and what we understand is that he played quite a critical role in the implementation of the project. In fact, on his Facebook, he has put up photographs with the former Chief Minister and former Irrigation Minister as well. And Sridhar is someone who is said to have, in fact, inquired into complaints of leakage in Kaleshwaram project in 2019 when the initial complaints came up, and he had in fact given a clean sheet saying there are no leakages and therefore no issue with the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project. At that stage, he is said to have given a clean sheet. Now, of course, he is working with the Command Area Development Project in Karimnagar, Chopadandi, its area he is working. But what I must point out is that the investigators are telling us that they still have to make an assessment of the gold and also the bank reserves, the cash reserves that he has. And therefore, as of now, the estimates is 50 to 60 crore rupees and it could run to more. One last point, there's also a Vigilance and Enforcement Commission report that has suggested that multiple engineers, more than 30 engineers in the Kaleshwaram project involved in the irrigation department need to be proceeded against, and there should be prosecution proceedings begun against them. Back to you.